The reason I get fly is Ivan Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, love. Wake up and...
Hey guys, welcome back. Kavina here again. In episode 12 of the Planning a Trip 101 series, we'll share some near-term ways to save and pay for that trip. Near-term to me is within the next 3 to 6 months. If you have a travel account or savings account, you could pull funds from it to pay for the whole trip or portions of the trip. If your monthly budget allows, you could pay for one aspect of the trip a month. Example, you could start with lodging, which can vary between paying upon arrival, which would be $0 down, to a 50% deposit. Following month, you could pay for transportation and or set aside money for your activities and food. As I mentioned in a previous video, there are also companies that offer travel loans such as Affirm and Fly Now, Pay Later that offer payment solutions. Fly Now, Pay Later could be used for air travel, which is typically the most expensive component of a trip, especially if you're traveling international. Their website says, fly anywhere and spread the cost of your trip in flexible monthly installments from 0% APR. Asterisk. Affirm with partner sites could be an option to pay for the entire trip. Comment below a dream destination you'd now consider with these two travel loan options. Using your credit card is also another option. I would compare interest rates and pros and cons using the travel loans either by themselves or in combination with your credit card. Again, in a previous video, talked about some of the advantages that you gain from using your travel credit card if you have one. I recommend you understand how much and what you can afford to pay before you put yourself in debt on one adventure, which may negatively impact your future adventures. As always, I hope this was helpful. For more content on tips, tricks, reviews, and hacks, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. And follow us on your social media platform of choice for cultural experiences and more. Thank you.